count for Mama? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yay! 1, 2,
Mama.
3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Yay! Good boy. Good counting, Tristan. Did you just start counting on your hand this morning out of the blue? You and Daddy were practicing yesterday, but you just did it all on your own this morning. Can you count again for Mama? 1, 2.
Is you okay?
Yeah, Jakey, okay. Hi, Jakey. Good morning. Did you eat some muffins this morning? Huh? Oh. Did you eat some muffins? Yeah.